subscribe to Madhura's Recipe and hit the bell icon to receive updates of all my new recipes. Hello everyone, this is Madhura. Today I am making very quick and instant plus delicious burfi, and it takes only 3 ingredients and it does not involve any cooking process. You just have to mix everything together and let that sit. Just very quick and perfect preparation. So to begin with, in a bowl I am adding 3 cups of desiccated coconut, followed by a cup of milk powder. We are not using any condensed milk in this recipe. Mix that together. Such a quick and delicious way to prepare during last minute. Now, once milk powder and desiccated coconut is well combined, add in just about a teaspoon of ghee. That is optional, you can just skip that out. And about half cup to 1 cup rose syrup, depending on, just good enough to make this into soft dough. Since rose syrup is quite sweeter on the side, we don't need to add any additional sugar in this recipe. Now if you want to make this in some other interesting flavors, you can use chocolate syrup, you can use khas syrup, strawberry syrup. Any flavor of your choice will go well in this recipe. Just mix, mix, mix. Alright, that's all. Now it's well combined. Now here I have this 8 by 8 inch tray. So let's go ahead and pour this entire mixture. And spread that evenly. Look at that nice pink color it has got. Now let this sit for at least half an hour before we serve it. So it's ready to dig in. So take a knife and cut this into small squares. Carefully take out the pieces of burfi. Superb. Look at this. Looks gorgeous. So you have this rose coconut burfi ready in no time. It stays good at room temperature up to 3 to 4 days. You can refrigerate it and it stays good up to a week. So this Diwali, do try out this quick and easy rose coconut burfi. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.